Hi everyone present here. I am Ritik Raj from Mechanical Department here on the oral presentation on the topic of managing time. Managing time is also called as a time management in which is very essential and important foremost thing for every human's life. By managing their time, they can get succeed in their life very easily. One person is asked to maintain its time towards their goal within the time limits. They should finish that work, or else there will be some trouble to them. So managing the time is very essential in our life. Tips on managing time: as everyone has to first of all set some goal correctly towards what work you are going to do, and second one, you have to give full priority towards that work, and third one, set a time limit. Within this limit I should finish this work. And fourth one, if you get any stress towards the work, just take some break and organize yourself. So fifth one, organize yourself towards the work. And sixth one, remove non-essential tasks which is not necessary in your daily routines. And seventh one, which is last, is to plan according to the work you're going to do and move forward and get succeed. What is time management? If person is doing a particular work, he should finish that particular work in the particular time within the time limits. If he done that work more than that time, there will be some trouble in from the higher officials if he is working in some IT companies or higher departments. So they everyone's life, even students should do their homework within the time, so that they can do another work that is managed within that time. So what is time management? Using the time effectively at right time to do right work. Why do we need time management? To save time. It also useful to save the time. We can extend our time by using time management, and it also reduces the stress. The person cannot be get stressed, so that I have to finish this work within this limit. So they will be get more and more stressed and they won't do that work. So it reduces the stress and it functions effectively and increases the output. The output of the work will be very comfortable and very effective, and it also increases your responsibility towards your family as well as your society. And I hereby conclude that time is the most precious resource in our life. So everyone has to work according to your time and give some schedule towards your time. So make some schedule from morning to night, what work you are going to do. So it will also be useful in your future and also to get success. So don't waste your time and make your time every time precious than a gold. Thank you.